Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Nairobi stuck at Makusazana every move and discovered that she been visiting a shadow grave. And Nairobi confront Makusazana about this, and she is forced to confess that the grave belongs to Menzi, who not longer seems to occupies it. Phakade invite Mazulu to a lounge at his house. Sebenzile arrive and hoping to make another play for Phakade, and he invite her to join them. Left alone, Sebenzile warns Mazulu she will fight for Phakade and tell her about the love potion in the tea. And Mazulu got disappointed that all love between them, her and Phakade was made up of love potion. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.